In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload images on Slack step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. Whether you're sharing screenshots with your team, sending design drafts, or just posting a quick image in a channel or direct message, this guide will walk you through the entire process clearly and simply. Slack is one of the most popular team communication tools, and knowing how to upload images properly can save you time and avoid confusion. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, make sure you're logged into your Slack workspace and that you're on the Slack homepage. This can be either in your web browser or the desktop app, as the steps are the same. Once you're inside Slack, go to the channel or direct message where you want to upload your image. This could be a team channel, a private group, or a one-on-one conversation. Now, look at the chat box at the bottom of the screen. On the left side of the message input field, you'll see a small plus icon. This plus icon is what you use to add files, images, and other attachments to your message. Go ahead and click on that plus icon. When you click it, a small menu will appear with a few different options. From this menu, click on the option that says Upload from your computer. This tells Slack that you want to upload an image stored on your device. As soon as you click this option, your computer's file browser will open. Now, navigate to the folder where your image is saved. This could be your desktop, downloads folder, or any other location on your computer. Click on the image you want to upload, then click Open or Select, depending on your system. Slack will now begin uploading the image. Once the image is uploaded, you'll see a preview of it directly in the message box. At this stage, you can optionally add a message or description to go along with the image. For example, you might explain what the image is about or ask your team for feedback. This step is optional, but it can be very helpful for clarity. When you're ready, look for the Send Now button or simply press Enter on your keyboard. Click Send Now and your image will be instantly posted in the channel or conversation. That's it. Your image is now successfully uploaded and visible to everyone in that Slack conversation. They can click on it to view it in full size, download it, or react to it with emojis. As a quick tip, you can also upload multiple images at once by selecting more than one file from your computer before clicking Open. Slack will upload them together, making it easy to share several images in one message. And that's how easy it is to upload images on Slack. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Slack tutorials and step-by-step software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.